Google Analytics User ID integration is a single-click solution to help you find visits for specific users. This CUX feature extends recording search options, allowing you to look for particular visits that caught your eye in Google Analytics. Remember that this integration works only with Google Analytics that has the User ID feature enabled. This means that you have reviewed, accepted, and compliant with the User ID policy from Google, set up User ID in your tracking code, and created a User ID reporting view. To enable Google Analytics integration, log into CUX and go to Integrations. Find the Google Analytics User ID tile and enable integration. Everything works in an instant. If you have activated the User ID feature in Analytics, wait for some time until new recording starts and finish. As soon as the recordings are ready, you can inspect the visit that people paid to your site. To watch a visit for a particular user that Google Analytics labeled as unique, click Open Filters. Scroll to find Google Analytics User ID section in Filters. Enter the client ID you found in Google Analytics. Click Apply. The visit list updates automatically, showing all the visits a specific person paid to your pages. Click Play for each visit you want to examine in details. That's all. Enjoy your recordings.